In this video, we're going to implement a dedicated post page. That's going to be useful if you want to share a specific post to somebody else. Now, each post will have its own URL. You can copy that and share it or just post it in another social media. Now, let's comment everything. We have implemented sending notifications. Sending notifications on these cases. When post is created, when comment is placed, when post is liked, and when comment is liked. Okay, let's make a comment, and I am going to now create a dedicated post page, which is necessary, and then I'm going to update the notifications and use that inside. So let's go in the post controller, and I'm going to create this page. Let me actually fold everything, like collapse all, Control Shift and minus. Okay, so everything was folded. And I think we don't have this method, even empty method. It doesn't exist. Store, update, destroy, etc. And let's add new notification, which is going to be view. We're going to accept post right here, and we are going to render inertia post / view, and we're going to pass the post. Let's go in the resources, JS, pages. We don't have this post view, so let's just create new component in the post folder / view. So inside the script, we are going to define props, and we're going to accept post here to be object. In the template, I'm going to render post list item or post item, which accepts only post. So we have this. Maybe we don't even need this post view. Maybe we can just use this post item. Okay, we are emitting something from this. Okay, hold on. So we have this post item from which we are emitting. So this open attachment is handled by its parent. We have this edit click and attachments click. Okay, now I think it's not going to be as simple as I was thinking creating this page. I'm going to search for this post item. It is used inside post list. Yes. And then we are listening to this edit click and attachment click. Okay, this is how I plan to do right now. So we're going to pass this post. Post. That should already render something. Let's define the route. Let's search where is the post controller. Here we have that. And I'm going to define this maybe after this destroy, or as a very first thing, post view. We are going to provide right here the post. This is going to be post ID view, and it's going to be get method. Okay, post view, great. I'm trying right now. Let me try to open one post. I'm going to open, let's go in the posts. I'm going to grab one ID. Let's take this one. Or let me take a larger post, this 5. Slash post slash 5. Okay, we have one error in the console, which is coming from the post item. Post attachments length. Okay. The attachments basically was not provided, right? That was not provided because we simply pass the post as a model, not as a resource. So I'm going to just change this compact into an array and provide post. Needs to be new post resource. And we're going to pass this post. Now let's see. Okay, so that was rendered in the post view. Let's use authenticated layout. Okay, and let's give it another div, and I'm going to give this padding of 8 maybe. Okay, because this is new component, the white server doesn't detect the class changes here. So I have to stop the white server and restart it, in which case it will start working. Okay, so this is the dedicated post page. The post is made inside the vue.js developers group by John Smith at the following date. What I want to do right now is to add view post page, or maybe get the post URL, something like this, copy post URL, something like this. So this will give me possibility to copy this specific post URL and send it to someone else. Okay. Great. I'm going to use now ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you give me vue.js code to copy specific text in clipboard? I don't want any third-party package. Why do I need this clipboard? You can also use clipboard.js for more feature-rich solution. Okay, I want this part, copy to clipboard. So let me actually grab this function. And I'm going to open this edit delete dropdown. And I'm going to create this function here. Function copy to clipboard. Text to copy. This is going to be, okay, this is going to be the absolute URL. Okay, I'm going to leave this text to copy right now. I just want to know that the functionality works. We have this post here. And let me just use post or props post ID. Okay, I will copy just props post ID. I'm going to create another menu item, which is going to be view or copy. Well, I think we can just give this text open post, something like this, which will be link, and we're going to provide href here, wrote post.view providing post.id. Okay, on click, we can remove this. We don't need pencil, we probably need icon, pencil icon. I'm gonna just replace this with the icon. Where is this pencil icon used? Okay, this is the icon I want to use here, open post, and the href should be correct. I think we need to import that link from the inertia.js. Let's test this. We see open post. When I click this open post, it's going to open dedicated page for the post. Great. Open post. Okay, this is working. Okay, I'm going to copy now this one, open post. Okay, now this is the issue. Opening this and previewing attachments doesn't work when we open this post in its own page, and this is something we need to fix. It's going to work right here. Okay, cool. And I want to use this copy, still use this copy functionality. So if I just search for copy, clipboard, let's use this clipboard from outline, from 24 outline. It will be clipboard icon. We are going to create another menu item. We're going to use this clipboard icon, and the text will be copy post URL. This is going to be button. We remove this href. We're going to listen to click, and we're going to call copy to clipboard. Okay, at the moment when we click on this copy to clipboard, it is just copying the post ID. Let's test this so far. I'm going to open the console, and I'm going to, so this is very small in width, so we have to increase it a little bit. Let's give it W 200 pixel. Is it too much? Wait. Menu items. This is it. Let's provide W48. Okay, open post and copy post URL. When we click on this and then paste right here, we see 71. Probably it copied it correctly. Let's copy the other one. It is 70 right now. Okay, the copying actually works. Now let's finish that function. I don't want this third-party package, so I'm going to remove this. And right here, I need the proper URL. So I will use route. This is going to be post.view and provide the props post ID. And let's see now. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Great. Awesome. Copy post URL, and I'm going to open this in a new tab, and this is it. Okay, good. I think when we hit on this copy post URL, basically we should see this small notification that it was copied, but I'm not going to do this right now. The only thing I'm going to do is reducing the width here. I will go and I will give it width of 50 maybe. Or I think this W50 is coming from Bootstrap. We need, let's give it 600 pixel. And we're going to give it MX Auto. Okay, the scroll was not working. Okay, strange. The scroll is not working on large screens, which we have to fix. Let me move this down. Okay, why it is not working? The height is actually good. I mean, 225 pixels is the height. Then inside there we have this div, and that div basically has a large height. So that div should have h full, and we need this overflow auto on this. I don't like this scroll design, by the way. Maybe I can take care of this as well, but for now I need to show preview these attachments, and also if I'm using my if I'm viewing my own post on full screen, if I go on the home page and open one post which belongs to John Smith, this one for example, open post, then this edit button doesn't do anything as well. It is not working. Okay, let's go in the post list and see. So when we click on edit, it's going to call open edit modal. We set this edit post and show edit modal. Okay, we're going to get this, and the next one is open attachment preview modal, and we just populate two variables. I think that's going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to copy these and put them right here in my post view, and I need to define these variables. This is one, edit modal, where is this? This is 2, this is 3 probably, and this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to copy these 4 variables and define here. And we need to listen to edit click, and we need to listen to attachments click as well. Attachment click. And we also need to render the edit modal and attachment modal, which is rendered somewhere right here. We're going to copy this and paste them here. We have this on modal hide as well, which sets the post edit post value to be an empty object. We can copy this entire function as well. And we have this auth user as well, which we probably need. So let me copy this auth user. Good. Now let's have a look. Let's open Developer Tools. I'm going to click on Edit. It brings this modal. I can change something, click on Submit. That was updated. I will reload the page, and that is updated. Now let's find the post with attachments. This is it. Open post, click on this, and it is working. Great. So we have this view page, dedicated page for the posts. And now we need to go inside backend app notifications, and I'm going to search for post here. Let's actually search for view post. It is used in 5 places, and I'm going to search all of them. This is the one, and I'm going to change this. Well, let me actually search the following code: view post with URL hashtag. Okay, and I'm going to replace this with we're going to provide route here. This is going to be post.view, and the parameter will be this post ID. Okay, I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna open the find window, and this is the first one right here, which I have already opened, and I'm gonna click on replace right there. Okay, this was replaced. However, comment created, we don't have post here, which we have to pass, which I have to do. Let's open the next one, and I'm gonna do the replace there. In this case, we have this post. Open next one and replace. Here we also have this post. Open the other one. I'm gonna do the replace there. Here we also have this post. And this is the last one. Here we also have this post. The only notification inside which we didn't have this post was this comment created. Okay, and let's add this post, public post. Let's import that, and let's find the place where this comment created notification is used inside the entire project. This is the place, and we need to provide post as an argument here. Okay, so that was comment created. Now let's test the comment creation process. So right now I'm viewing Mary's post, and I'm going to place comment right here. Okay, test comment from inside post page. I'm going to hit on submit. That was added. Let me test if it's there. I will reload, it stays there. I'm going to also test the like functionality. I liked, I reload the page, it stays there. By the way, this number of likes is not there. Yep, we caught one bug, which I think will be not very difficult to fix. We're going to open this post controller, and here we have this post, and I am going to write this load count reactions. Okay, if we reload this, we see this. However, if I like the comment and reload the page, I think that will also be lost. Yes, this is also lost. Let me open home controller, and this post for timeline. What we are doing here is that we are selecting with count reactions. This is something what we have already done here, but we are loading the post with comments and with its reactions as well. And also I'm loading with reactions if the current user has made reaction or not. So in this case, what we need is this part. This part we can also copy, but that doesn't make much sense because this is only necessary when we are doing this inside the loop. So these reactions is selected in the post resource. right here, simply to detect if the current user has reaction or not. Okay, and if we don't write this in a with, it's going to make separate query. But because we only have one post on this page, also separate query is not a problem because it's going to make just one query. Okay, even if we are selecting these reactions in the loop, it is still going to make one query. So no big difference, no difference at all. But we need comments. So with, or actually load, we need this load with, let's go in the post, with comments, and we need reactions on this comment. So this is important thing. Let's put this here. Okay, now if I reload this page, expand this, I see this number of reactions on the comment. And also I see that I have made like on this, I have made like on this as well. Okay, this is great. We are about to test this functionality, okay, reaction added on the post and comment created. Okay, let's click on this view post. We see this message, new comment was added on your post. Please see comment below. Test comment from inside post panel. I think we also need the information who made this comment. We can click on this view post and we can expand this and we're going to see this comment. Okay, this is good. Obviously, we can add more information here. Who made the comment? User, whoever. Let's write this user. We're going to accept this user. Let's scroll up. Public user. Let's import this user model. And user, let's print the username. Let's say user John Smith has made a new comment on your post. User John Smith has made a new comment on your post. Please see comment below. We need to pass this user from this comment created. But if the new comment is made, actually, I think we don't even need this. So the comment user will be the user, right? So we can just use this comment user username. Okay, I'm going to make another comment. Click on submit. Comment created. User John Smith has made a comment on your post. Please see comment below. Another comment. View post. And I can view this. Another comment. Great. This reaction, user John Smith like your post. Okay. So we have also created dedicated post page, which gives us great things. Like we can copy this specific post URL and send it to someone else.